Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. Okay, now to bleed the brakes, I take a clear jar, put brake fluid in it, stick a hose in it, stick it on the bleeder valve on the back of the caliper. Then I open that bleeder and have somebody pump the brakes, and I just sit and watch it until bubbles quit coming in my brake fluid. Then we know we're good. And I'm doing that on all four corners, starting on the passenger rear wheel, the driver rear wheel, the passenger front, and finally the driver front. Pump. And hold. All right, tell me what you got. Does that feel firm? Yes, sir. Okay. Give me a minute. All right.